Hello lovely souls and welcome to my channel the Hierophant 1111. And guys, I was guided to make a urgent pickup aisle reading on the Lion's Gate, and so I'm going to put this video today itself. And this video is going to be pickup aisle about the triggers and healing that we are going to get from Lion's Gate, and also angel guidance regarding this Lion's Gate. So what do angels guide us for this healing and triggers? So let's go on guys, and let's see what is going to happen for us on 8th August, the Lion's Gate. So for many who don't know about it, this is the date where a special portal which has opened on 26th July, which is for healing and for more ascension purposes. This gate has opened on 26th July, and it is going to be on peak energies on 8th August, and it will continue triggering and healing till 8th December. Okay guys, so I wanted to make an pickup aisle for this on 8th August itself, but today I was guided to do this urgent reading. So guys, do choose your pile, take your time, okay, and select the bell which you're most guided to. There are 3 piles over here. The blue one is the first one, the green is the second, and the red is the third one. Okay, so y'all take your time, pause the video if y'all want, and then come and choose a bell which will call you the most. Okay, y'all take your time, y'all pause the video here if y'all want to, but I will start with the blue pile, and let's see what angels want to guide us urgently and what triggers are coming for us. Okay guys, so this is the blue bell. So let's see what's okay. 3 of Swords. If you all have chosen the blue bell, the pile 1, so I see 3 of Swords energy over here. 7 of Wands. Okay, Page of Swords. The Devil. 4 of Cups. 5 of Swords. Knight of Wands. Strength. Queen of Swords. Ace of Cups. The Hanged Man. Guys, I see a lot of triggers. Let's talk about this, and then I will give you all angel guidance in the end. What I see over here guys for y'all is that a lot of triggers regarding heartbreak. Okay, I see lots of people going against you, feeling targeted on 8th of August if you have chosen the blue bell. Okay, so y'all don't need to be in low vibes. Maybe your family will be more possessive about you, and maybe they will not accept any of your offers, or they will say something against your choices, and this is for healing. Okay guys, y'all don't need to be feeling bad about it. I'm just preparing y'all mentally that what can come forward for y'all. Okay, and I also see special triggers with mother, because there are 2 cards, like the Queen of Swords, the Woman in Power, and the Ace of Cups. But all this will give you the strength to get on from this hanged situation. If you have been stuck for a very long time, and because of your family, and you are not able to take a decision, and they were not agreeing with you, and this will give you the power to move on. Maybe if you wanted to go for a new job and they were not listening to you, they were not agreeing, now what they will do will give you the strength. You will be like, anyways it doesn't matter. But this will cause a lot of heartbreak. That's what I'm seeing. But this heartbreak is for strength. You will get the power to fight. You will get the power to become the Queen of Swords. You will get the power to speak up for your rights. Okay, so this is what is going to happen for you in this Lion's Gate. I see a lot of, because of this, them not listening to you, them saying, like ill words for you, will cause a lot of heartbreak. Okay, they being against your decisions, you feeling like a victim, in this situation, whatever situation you are stuck right now. So this is going to give you great problems. Okay, so what angel wants to guide you on this is the great gathering. It's all coming together. Intuitive hits, soul tribe. Okay, so that's what all this is happening, so that things can come together for you and you can meet your soul tribe. Okay, so this is the reason why all this is happening, and angels want to guide you that you are not alone. You have a soul tribe. Okay, you have people from the same community that can help you and guide you in your situation, and when you all meet them, your things will start coming together for you in life. Okay, Lemuria, creating heaven on earth, it's happening. So this is also happening for you guys. Your life will become like heaven on earth. So these triggers, will help you to meet your right people, who will help you to meet your soul people, soul mates, their soul sisters, or family, that will help help you to create heaven on earth. And longing for home, belonging, the original light workers. For many of y'all, maybe y'all are the original light workers. If y'all have chosen the blue pile, y'all are light workers, and you will meet similar people, similar people like you, similar souls, who will help you to feel that you are belonged. Yes, you are loved. Okay, you have a family, you're not alone. So if you all have been having family issues, and families against you always, and they don't give you the love and belonging, you feel lonely, you feel walking on a path that no one in your family is, and this Lions Gate will help you to move on from there and find another family for yourself, which will help you and to be what you are, and will give you the love and the unconditional caring energy that you are looking for till today in your family. Okay, so you'll meet a soul tribe. This is the reason why all this will be happening to you in the Lions Gate. Okay guys, let's move on and let's see if you have chosen the red bell. Okay, let's go on with the red bell first. The red bell is calling to me. So if you all have chosen the red bell, what is the triggers and healing coming to you for this Lions Gate on 8th August? Okay, King of Swords, Two of Cups, the Magician, Five of Pentacles, the Lovers, the Hierophant, and the Knight of Cups. Okay, over here I'm being guided that if you went to a person who was always cold towards you, who did not show any feelings towards you, who always had an hot and cold relationship, you had a hot and cold relationship with this person. I see this person changing on 8th August, and that will actually shock you. Okay, that will make you happy, that will make you feel like your rewards have been paid. You'll feel intuitively that this is happening, and this love connection of yours, if you have had a toxic one, if a person has been very stubborn with you, very rude with you, and if you have chosen the red bell, okay, so this changes can happen for you. Also, what I see over here is they coming forward to you with an offer of love, or something which will make you feel like a magician. So what triggers are going to happen is like this person will come and tell you their feelings. That's what I'm getting. So for the red one, connection related triggers, where you felt like you were not invited, you were not required. That person will come and tell you their true feelings, and maybe this is a third party situation. The lovers, with the lovers I'm getting, maybe this is a hidden connection, and this is the reason why you have been feeling that they are happy in their family, they have their own life, but when they come and tell you and they come and offer you something, I feel this will be the biggest trigger of your 8th August. Okay, it's a good trigger in a way, but I feel you are going to be triggered in many ways possible. You might not like it, I don't know why. So what angels want to guide you is Imram. Okay, this is a card. Where are you being called to journey to? Okay, so you are on a journey. This is clearly telling you that you are on a journey, and okay, So the angels want to tell you that you are on a journey and you are reaching conclusion, okay, and just try to understand the journey in which you are. Maybe you are in a soul journey, higher level soulmate, twin flame journey, spiritual journey, and you have to learn to have your boundaries, okay. So yes, this person will come to you after you have set boundaries, or if you have after you have moved on and you did not hope this person coming in your life, and after that you have to learn to establish better boundaries with them. So maybe they come back and they behave as if nothing has happened, or maybe they are in and out of your life. So this is going to be a biggest trigger, the crumbling. What are you holding on to? So what I see over here, maybe you see this connection crumbling. If you have chosen the red bell, it will start with this person. Your trigger could be, the angels are saying, what are you holding on to? So the angels are telling you maybe your past relationships will come down crumbling, come down crashing, and maybe you'll feel like, what is my life about, what is my life purpose, what is my journey about, okay. And then you will be healing and learning to make good boundaries, okay. So all this is going to be there. Maybe you were with a person in a third party connection, and that person will all of a sudden tell you something that will make you feel very less, and you'll have to learn to hold your boundaries and make healthy boundaries and become the magician of your own life. When you do all this, this person will come back, okay. So the trigger is this person going, or either this situation has happened to you and now they are coming back, or now they are going to go, and when you learn to set healthy boundaries, they are going to come back. Either way, you are going to be very triggered, guys, because I see triggers over here. For many people, it's going to be that they are going, and so you're triggered, and for many people it's going to be that they have come back. Now why have they come back? I don't even need them, okay. So this is going to be the trigger. So let's see, guys, if you have chosen the green bell, what are your triggers and healing going to be for the Lion's Gate on 8th August. Okay, so what I see over here is confusion, chaos, hard work, stuck energy, okay, new beginning, you being spied on social media, and then I see you crying over spilled milk, okay. So there's lots of what triggers you might get is over here that you are confused whether to hold on or to a relationship that is stuck, okay, or a situation that is stuck in your life, or if you are married to a karmic, whether to leave that person, and life will be difficult for you, and you're stuck in a particular situation, whether to this confusion is going to create a lot of chaos in your life on 8th August, or it is already, because we are 2 days before the Lion's Gate. So this energy is already entered, and there's lots of turmoil and lots of troubles over here. So you have to take some or the other action. That is what I'm being guided, okay. Or someone from the connection which you had has been separated, has been legally separated, or your person has been legally separated, and the stuck situation is over and there's a new beginning, and you did not know about it, and now when you come to know about it, you go like, do I even want it, okay. So this could be another trigger, okay. Or you have to leave someone and move on in your life. So you will have to do that. Maybe you will have to move forward no matter what happens, and you will be forced to take a action. So this is going to be a biggest trigger, and moving on into a new life, or taking your stuff and moving from the house is going to be a biggest trigger for you. It could be even family, okay. And I couldn't see you, instead of seeing the new beginning, seeing things in the new light. This could be a trigger, okay. I'm telling you this, that you will be crying on spilled milk, okay. You will be crying on things that happened in the past, and you will feel stuck. this will be your biggest trigger, and your healing will be, like after this. Okay, after this tough time that you go through, that you have already been unstuck and you have to live or start a new life again, will be the biggest trigger for you in this Lion's Gate if you have chosen the green pile. Let's see what angels want to guide you and what I come to know more about your journey. Sisterhood of the Rose, beauty, devotion, priestess, mystic, teacher. Okay, so what I see over here is the angels are guiding you to call on for their help. Okay, someone who can help you. Be devoted to a person, be devoted to your master, to your spiritual master, to a priestess, to a mystic, someone spiritual, like a channel like this maybe, which could help you and guide you and follow their guidance, because you have to have devotion. That's what you are being guided to, be devoted no matter what happens. Maybe this connection might end and restart again, or maybe it might restart after a very sad end, or maybe there are things that will trigger you regarding this with a person or with a job, something or the other, and you will be like, or maybe you might even cry for the job you had to leave. Maybe you suddenly something will happen and you will decide to leave the job then and there. The energy and courage that you did not have till today, you actually go and do it, and then I see you crying on spilled milk that I did not want to do it. Okay, so that could happen. Align your life. What is not aligned or needs to change. So this is the biggest thing that is coming into your life. Like if that job or the person or anything that in your life was not aligned to your life's purpose has to leave. Okay, and this will cause a biggest trouble for you and lots of pain, and this will cause irritation maybe to you. This will cause you to be broken into fragments. That's what I'm seeing. Or see this lady over here and see the glass pieces. Okay, this will cause a lot of mental pain for you. So the angels are telling you what is not for you, let it go. Okay, just let it go, and things will come in. Those who align with you will come into your life and make it much beautiful. Share your voice and come out of the cave. Persecution expression. So you are being guided. Maybe for most of you, I could also see that this Lion's Gate will give you the strength to come out, okay, in the open and share your voice. Okay, and maybe you will decide to become a mystic, a teacher, and that's what you always wanted to do. That was your life's purpose, but you were holding on to the past. Okay, and you were crying that on a particular job that did not suit you. Maybe you worked too hard for it, or a particular relationship that did not happen, but now you will be guided to what is and you are required to come out of the cave and speak. Maybe you were scared of public speaking, or you were not able to express yourself clearly. So this Lion's Gate is going to help you to do that. Even maybe for this person who is supposed to come to you, the angels are telling you communication is coming, and they will come out of the cave and tell you the truth, and they will express their feelings for you. All that is going to be a lot of emotions, and very heavy, very triggering. So guys, do tell me if this resonated with you on 8th August, or it is resonating with you right now. Do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, the Hierophant 1111. And also guys, see you for another reading tomorrow. Bye.